I went to the dentist and my lips have never been more chapped in my life. Look at them. Oh my gosh. It's like I got lip injections. What's up you guys, it is Naughty and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my wing liner, how I put on my lashes, just all that fun stuff. And these are like things that I never show, like for example my wing eyeliner. I think it's been like in one of my videos and it changes a lot, like how I do it. I never do it like this the same way every time, so my eyeliner always comes out different. It just, I don't know, you kind of have to work with it, have to work with your eye shape. And I always cut it out in my videos because I have to be like 1 centimeter away from my like mirror, plus I'm blind. And I finally showed you how I put on my lashes. I also showed you how I did the rest of my face, all that jazz, you know, just casual, what I normally do. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, without further ado, then let's get started. Okay, cool. So the first thing you should know is that I am not doing any eyeshadow. So if you're not good with eyeshadow, then this is the look for you. If you're not good with winged eyeliner or false eyelashes, this is probably not the look for you either. But personally, I don't think I'm good with anything, so we're gonna try it together. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Dip Brow, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade Light 10. And then to set my eyes, I'm going to be using the RC May No Color Powder. Now the hardest part of today is probably the wing liner. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the shade Trooper. I'm just going to draw the line to where the end of my eyebrow is. And I'll do the same thing on the other side just to make sure they're even. I'm gonna go ahead and like tight line my upper lash line because you can still see the skin and we don't want that. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Eye Studio. This is the gel eyeliner. To apply it, I'm gonna be using the Sonia Kashuk number 27 brush. I bought this one because of Katie and Desi in that one video. When they were getting ready, they were talking about it, and so I decided to get it. Gonna go ahead and fix like the outer corners of my eyeliner because now it's really bugging me. And I'm using the Benefit They're Real. This is just a little sample that I got, and so I use it and it's really good. I think I'm gonna go buy the full size. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do false lashes. So for lashes, I'm gonna be using my all-time favorite, which are the Eyeliner Vegas Nay Bronze Beauty lashes. And the lash glue I use is the Duo Lash Glue, and this is the brush on adhesive with vitamins. I can't talk ever. Dun 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 dun. Okay, and these are the completed eyes. So as you can see, very big difference, hopefully. So now we're going to start on the rest of the face. And first thing I'm going to do is prime my face. I'm going to be using 2 different primers. I love using these primers together just because I have like combination skin. So it's like oily and dry. I'm using the L'Oreal True Lumi Cushion. This is in the shade W3, which I'm not W3. I'm normally N3, and I don't remember if they had an N3 or not, or I think they did. It just looked weird, so I didn't get that one. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cream contour my nose just because I personally like that. Probably one of the best cream contour palettes out there is the e.l.f. one. It's really good. It blends out really nicely. I think I'm going to go ahead and cream contour the rest of my face. Conceal my under eyes using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. This is in the shade Light Neutral. I'm going to go ahead and set my face and my under eyes and all that with the RCMA No Color Powder. I put the thing back in my hair because, yeah. I'm using my Anastasia contour kit. This is the light to medium. And I'm going to be mixing these 2 shades right here. And I'm going to be using this one to set under my eyes one more time. I'm going to be using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. Just going to go ahead and bake. I will bake under here though. Amaretto from the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Becca X Jaclyn Hill palette. Then I'm going to go ahead and brush this away. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using Becca's Prosecco Pop. So I'm going to apply this to the very tip of my nose. And also the bridge. I'm also going to highlight the brow bone. I'm going to be using MAC's Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. Alright, and for lips, I'm going to be using Rimmel's Kate Moss lipstick. This is in the shade 56 Boho Nude. Put a gloss on top of it, and this is Maybelline's Vivid Hot Lacquer in 64 Unreal. And then to just set everything and make sure my face isn't too cakey, I'm going to be using the Pixi Skin Treats Hydrating Milky Mist. Actually, I think I'm going to tightline just to kind of balance everything. So yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up because thumbs are cool. What are thumbs for? I don't know. Also, I ended up changing my shirt just because whenever I do my makeup, I feel like if I like change my shirt and I look more presentable, then I just feel better in my makeup. If I just wear a t-shirt, I just don't want to wear makeup at all. I like only wear makeup when I film, or I only like wear nice shirts when I film. I don't know, I'm a little weirdo. And also, don't forget to subscribe to see more of this face. I don't know why you would want to, but if you do, the subscribe button will be around here somewhere. You're smart. You know how to use the internet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you all next week. Bye. So I'm just going to start the intro like this because ain't nobody got time. Huh. Or look like that. Oh, sun. Oh, sun. Okay. They somewhat curled. My hair looks oily on camera, but I promise you it's not oily. That's so weird. That's gross. Ooh, girl. Okay, I went ahead and changed my shirt because that's like the final effect. You'll see, you'll go from this into this. Right? Is that how you do it?